And now the news in detail. In Gujarat, the oath-taking ceremony of the new BJP government will be held on Monday. The state party president C.R. Patil announced this at party headquarters in Gandhinagar today, as the BJP is all set to retain power for the record 7th time. As per the latest report, BJP won 120 assembly seats and leads in 36 seats in the 182 members assembly. The Congress won 11 seats and leading in 6. In 2017, Congress won 77 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party is leading in 1 seat. All prominent faces of the ruling BJP, including Chief Minister Bhupendra Patil and his several ministers, including Harsh Sanghavi, Jitubhai Bhagwani, Raghav G. Patel and Rushikesh Patel, are leading in their respective seats. From the Congress, Arjun Mordavia and Imran Khedawala won their seat. AAP candidates are leading in Garyadhar, Dedapara and Jamjodhpur seats.